Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Lakshmi. Today I am going to teach you about how to strengthen your respiratory system. So respiratory system, when we talk about respiratory system, it not only concentrate on your lungs, it partly concentrate on your heart also. So today we are going to see only for the lungs. That is, we have two part of lungs. In between the heart is placed, so the left side of the lung is comprises of two lobes and the right side is comprises of three lobes. So when we talk about respiratory system, mainly in yoga we speak about breathing exercises and pranayama. So pranayama, it comprises of inhalation, retention and exhalation. So breathing exercise, first we have to start with the breathing exercises, then we have to slowly move on to this pranayama. So breathing exercise, just inhalation and exhalation. So by practicing breathing exercises, you will strengthen your respiratory system. That is, you will use all your three lobes of the lungs fully, and then we are ready to move on to this pranayama. So pranayama is nothing but inhalation, retention and exhalation. So now I am going to teach you about only the breathing exercise, that is preparing your lungs for the pranayama. So we sit in this Svastikasana or Sukhasana. So keeping one leg on the other, or if you are advanced in doing the Padmasana, you have done yoga before, so you can try to do Padmasana. Otherwise, this posture is comfortable to do a breathing exercise. So hands in Chin Mudra. So this stimulates the respiratory organs mainly to the brain. So this Chin Mudra mainly stimulates the respiratory glands, respiratory organs. Mainly it tells information to the brain that inhalation and exhalation should be in a rhythmic way. So keep your back straight. Concentrate on your center part of the eyebrows. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep inhale and exhale gently. First, you open your lungs with a normal breathing. Mainly, we are stimulating the Anahata Chakra here. Anahata Chakra is placed in the center part of the heart. We are stimulating the Anahata Chakra to open the respiratory system and to strengthen the lungs. So, breathing exercises. So first we start with a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Actually, inhalation and exhalation. Exhalation should be twice than your inhalation. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, they call inhalation as Puraka and exhalation as Rechaka. So what we do now is just cleansing the nadis. Just we are cleansing the nadis. In Tirumular Tirumandram, they say the right side of the nostril as Surya Nadi and left side of the nostril as Chandra Nadi. Just we are stimulating the nadis to airflow, better oxygen to the lungs and to the other part of the body. So when we inhale more oxygen, more amount of oxygen during the inhalation, we stimulate each and every cells in the body to open the lungs. When you inhale, try to open your chest and slowly exhale. Mainly we are doing the breathing exercise only for the lungs. In some other channels and all, they teach this breathing exercise to when you inhale, just bring the abdomen front, and when you exhale, Just pull the abdomen. We don't want air to the abdomen. We want only food to the abdomen. We want air only to the lungs. When we start doing this, initially this breathing exercise, we start stimulating the immune system in the body, which is necessary now because we are in the stage that a heavy virus is attacking nowadays. So we have to strengthen our immune system immediately. So already when we are practicing this pranayama, try to do this type of breathing so that it will stimulate the immune system. People who are above this 60 already suffering from respiratory disorders or any other disorders or any other respiratory infections, try to follow this simple breathing technique to open your lungs. At least you can recover it very fast from this virus. So first is we are cleansing the nadis. Deep inhale and exhale. Do this for at least 5 times. Just open your chest and do. Concentrate on the center of the eyebrows. Now we have to hold your breath and exhale. Initially you start doing with the 5 counts. Okay, see, now I am doing inhalation. Hold it for 5 seconds. Exhale slowly and twice. So as I already said, inhalation we call it as puraka and retention we call it as kumbhaka. So and exhalation we call it as reshaka. So now I taught you this kumbhaka. It is 16:64:32. At least you have to inhale 16 seconds, 64 seconds you have to retain your breath and 32 seconds you have to exhale. So you can't follow this ratio. At least you try to follow 1:4:2. If your inhalation is 5 seconds, hold it at least for 20 seconds and do exhalation for 10 seconds. See, 5, 4, exhale, 3. When we are holding the breath, the more amount of oxygen exchange take place and more amount of carbon dioxide is eliminated from the body. So this is the main concept in breathing exercise and pranayama. When you hold your breath, we call it as pranayama. Without holding, we call it as breathing exercises. Thank you.